Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple beaded Gila monster. And it's sort of like a lizard, like all the feet are like a lizard or dragon, but it's just really fat with a really fat tail and it's really cute. So let's get started. What you will need are 3 colors of beads. You will need 38 orangish beads. It can also be kind of red. 63 black beads and 2 eye beads. I'm going to be using brown because if I just use black it'll look like it has no eyes, so that's why I'm not using black. You also need 2 feet of wire, which is also 24 inches or around 61 centimeters. You'll need scissors to cut your wire, a ruler to measure your wire, and then you also need these bead container or just some sort of things to hold your beads in. I got my beads at a local bead store. It's called Alaska Bead Company, and I got my wire on firemountaingems.com. Actually, this I got at the bead store, but the ones on firemountaingems.com are a lot cheaper. Alright, so first you're going to take your wire, and I've already folded mine in half, but so you do that. Yours in half, and take 2 of your black beads and put them on your wire. 1 and 2. Bring them down. And now you're going to take one of your wires and loop them across and through those beads. Like that. And now you kind of just strip your wires back. And now you're going to do a row of 3 beads. One, two, three, bring them down. And take the wire that does not have beads on it and loop it around and stick it through those beads. Now pull tight, just like that. Now you're going to take, this is the row where the eyes come in, so you're going to take 1 black bead, 1 eye bead, 1 black bead again, and the last eye bead, and 1 black bead. Now bring all of those down, fold them across, and take the wire that doesn't have the beads on it, loop it around, and stick it through those beads. And pull tight. On your next row, you're going to take 2 black beads, 1, 2, 1 orange bead, and then 2 more black beads. Bring it down and fold it across and do the same thing with the wire that does not have beads on it. Loop it through your beads on the other wire. Your next row is going to be 1 black bead, 1 orange bead, 1 black bead, 1 orange bead, and another black bead. Bring those down. Fold it across and do the same process. And pull tight. Now, for the next row, you're going to take a black bead, an orange bead, we're basically just doing black, orange, black, orange, black, orange. Another black bead and an orange bead. And bring them down. Just like that. And pull tight. And now we're going to do a row like this, except the opposite. So we're going to take an orange bead first. And make sure to always add your beads on the same side or on your same wire, and don't flip it around because it will mess up the pattern if you do that. So I'm always adding my beads on the right wire. All right, where were we? Okay, orange bead, black bead, orange bead, and black bead. Now bring these down and see, they kind of form a crisscross checkerboard pattern. Not crisscross, checkerboard. And pull your wire through. All right, now we're going to add the legs. So you're going to take an orange bead. They're going to be really short legs because they're super cute and heel matchers have short legs. And then a black bead. And then 3 more black beads for the toes. 1, 2, and 3. Now bring these down, and you're going to take 3 beads and just separate them out and loop the wire through, or loop the wire around and stick them through the 2 beads that you did not separate out. Like that. So the 3 beads are in their own little loop. And then you're going to pull tight, make sure it's flush with the body. And pull tight. There we go. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So first an orange bead, then 4 black beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now separate out 3 black beads and stick your wire through the 2 remaining beads, black and orange, and pull tight. Like that. Now you can strip your wires back. And now we're going to continue doing the checkerboard pattern. So you're going to take a black bead, and an orange bead, and a black bead, and an orange bead, and a black bead. Bring them down, and take the wire that does not have any beads on it and stick it through all of the beads on your wire. Just like that. Now we're going to do a row of where we put orange first. So orange, black, orange, and black. Oh, and we're going to do one more orange. Bring them down, do the process. There we go. And now we're going to do a row with black first. So black, orange, black, orange, and black. And secure them. Now we're going to do another row, starting with orange. 1, 2, up, 2, black, orange, black, and orange. And tie it off. Now we're going to do a row starting with black, black, orange, black, orange, and black. Tie it off, and one more row starting with orange. 1 orange, 2 black, 3 orange, 4 black, 5 orange, 6 black, and never mind. And now tie it off. And pull tight. Alright, now the body is done. Now we're going to do the back legs. So put a black bead on your wire. Put an orange bead on your wire. We're going to do them opposite of the front legs. So instead of orange first, we're going to do black first and then orange. And then we're going to do 3 black beads. 1, 2, and 3. And separate out the toes, the toe beads, and put your wire through the 2 little leg beads. And pull tight. Just like that. And make sure it's flush with the body. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, and 3 blacks. And do the same process. And pull tight. And there we go. Now we're going to put a black bead on our wire, an orange bead on our wire, and a black bead on our wire. And take the wire that does not have any beads on it and stick it through the beads on the other wire. Like that, and pull tight. Now we're going to do another row, but this time starting with orange, orange, and then black, and then orange. Bring them down, fold them across, and pull it tight. There we go. Now another row, black first this time. 1, 2, 3, like that. Now starting with orange, another row. 1, 2, 3. Another row, starting with black. That's the image row. Now another row starting with orange. Another row starting with black. And we're almost done. And then we're going to do a row, I guess you can put a black or orange bead on first, doesn't really matter. Because this time we're only going to put 2 beads on the wire, and you should have just used your last black bead. So 2 beads on your wire. Just do the same process. We're just thinning the tail out. And pull tight. And I have an extra orange bead, so you might have it, or I just counted the beads incorrectly. But you should just have put one more orange bead on your wire. And that is the end of the tail. And there you go. And now we're just going to secure it. So take the wire around and through the bead. Pull tight to do that same thing with the other wire. Pull tight. And take the 2 wires and twist them together. Now we're going to take our scissors and snip off the extra wire, and then you can just fold down the little pointy bit. An extra bead. And now you can position it. I'm going to do it this way, facing up this way. Your little feet, you can bend them down. And there you have it, your super cute little Gila monster. I hope you enjoyed. And make sure to subscribe and feel free to leave a comment down below for a beading request. I will see you all next time. Bye!